Hey, what is up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. This is day 4 of the 50k BULENOX challenge. I hope you guys are doing well. Today is a bit of a long one, so buckle your seatbelts, get some popcorn, coffee, all that jazz, because I am going through pretty much my entire thought process before taking the trade, confirmations, what I'm seeing, everything. So it is going to be a little bit longer. If you are enjoying the series so far, it would be awesome if you guys can go ahead and drop a like down below. And if you want, you can definitely subscribe to help grow our little trading community. But anyways, let's go ahead and get into the trades of today. Alright, good morning everyone. 7:12 a.m. We are in the zone. And yeah, let's see what we got going on. So I drafted up a 3-point touch for our 10,000 tick. I've been having a lot of consolidation and ranging within 41.58 and about 51.52. We had a downward trend here on our 2000 tick, and then we finally broke out for a quick little push off of the trend. But now it's kind of just same thing, just ranging still, nothing really crazy. It's been hella bouncing off the 52 line, as you can tell, and just waiting for it to break so we can go short, as we're having like lower highs and lower lows. But now that we're consolidating here, it's kind of hard to see what the next move may be. We may just bounce off, we may break through. So I'm kind of just watching out for that. It's moving a bit slow too now. It was a bit more crazier when market opened, as you guys know how crazy that gets. But on our 2000 tick chart, we have higher lows. As you can tell, we're starting to branch up. But on the bigger time frame, we are obviously not in that case. So this is where we are right now. Again, just waiting for a move to play out. I'm just trying to be really patient here because I don't want to diddle in the middle and get caught. You know, I really want to see if we're going to make a break. Or if we're just going to stay in this range for the rest of the day, then we might not take a trade. But if we do consistently, get support off of the bottom area and then consistent resistance at the top area, I may get into a trade from top to bottom or bottom to top. But ultimately it depends on what our bigger time frame says, as well as what we see here, because it just looks so choppy, nothing crazy right now. So I would like to get into a long here just because we have the double bounce. We're above EMA now too, but I just don't know if we're gonna actually break through 58. I want to see if we have momentum to break through. If we do, I may take it. New candle opened up on the 10,000. Oh no, it's the same one. My fault, same one. New 5-minute opened up. Nice for breaking into the EMA. I'm gonna take a one long here. If it works out, works out. I hope it does, of course, but not sure if we will actually grab this dub here. Ah, perfect. I wasn't too sure because we don't have crazy momentum to push us, but we are starting to pick up. I mean, we got that tap off of the EMA, so I'm kind of glad I got in there. And then same through here, we were having some nice push through the EMAs here. Now let's see if we're gonna break through this top here. If we do break, we might get a retest. But right now, if that's our first trade on this account, we are up 100 buckaroos. So hopefully we can see at least 1 or 2 more trades on this account. Is that I don't know if it's Pinot with if that's Pinot with fees. I doubt it. So yeah, let's see here. Let's see if we're gonna get the retest to bounce, or we're gonna break back in. Alright. Kind of weak, kind of not. Would like to take a long, but my nose is a bit stuffy this morning too. I'm gonna take a short here. It's not looking too strong to me. As granted, momentum almost got filled. There it is. Beautiful. Yeah, because as you could tell, we had not only like the lower highs as I mentioned earlier, but also not enough push to get above, to break above, and not even to reach the previous high. So that's the reason why I decided to get in. And then also, we obviously broke through, got a tap off EMA, and then I considered we might reversal back, but it looked like momentum was starting to pick up for a sell. Looks like we're back in the range again. But going back to our amount for the day, we are at 200 bucks, and that is 2 trades so far. Not too bad. With fees and things like 180 or something like that. I may look to take one more trade if I see something that meets what I'm looking for. Otherwise, I think I'm going to call it on this BULENOX account. Oh, there it is. There's that big sell. May come back down to 52. But granted, we have to break below all these lows here. Let's see. We might have some type of trend line here. Just kind of drawing it to give myself some perspective. Around 6 minutes on this video. I don't know if you guys like these long commentary videos, but yeah, maybe it goes from here actually. If it does, that kind of changes things, as you can tell. So a lot of buyers at this area. So we're gonna move up our wick. Our horizontal line. It looks like we're trying to get higher highs. 50% wick test possibly. I might take one long here. If we get to 50% wick test and it holds. Alright, so we're gonna bring previous highs of let's see, about 62. We want to see some damage. And obviously the best point would be 64, which is this candle over here. But it also looks like a bearish pennant in a way, because we could easily break through as well, right? But in the overall bigger picture, we have a flag. So, a few different things I'm seeing. 15, nice curvature. Trying to get some, it's trying to slow down a little bit, isn't it? Couldn't quite break over. I'm going to take one long here. If we are able to hold above this EMA, we're kind of bouncing off of the, I believe this is R21 right here. Let me double check. I'm not quite sure. And my screen froze. So this is what I was telling you guys about, like, technical issues. Sometimes I get it, sometimes I don't. But yeah, and obviously, yeah. Oh, there you go. Okay. So that is our 21. Yeah. Okay, let's see here. So our target is about 64 again. Let's see if we break these. There it goes. Alright, I'm going to take this long.
Order submitted.
Hopefully we're able to
Order filled.
break with them. It looked like that was a retest for me off of this previous high, but again, I may be wrong. See a little bit more push to get through. Doesn't look like we have it yet. That kind of felt like a FOMO trade in a way. Here's our retest. If we're able to hold that, solid. It doesn't look like we have it for right now. No. So you guys clearly saw me FOMO trade that, and also thinking that we had enough momentum to push and continue pushing. I thought this was a retest off this previous, as it was a quick bounce off. Clearly not yet. So yeah, we got some room to push. Here's push off the 21. Can we hold it? I'm gonna take this short.
Order submitted.
Alright, it looks like we got in a little too late again. It's just kind of lagging, not in my favor right now. Oh, dang. Dang, that's crazy. Alright, I moved it up as you guys saw, just because, so close to getting filled out, and then we didn't quite get the full push. Oh, hate those. Oh, beautiful. Alright, so you guys saw this trade too. Saw we broke below the 21, hesitation, as well as constant pattern kind of playing out. On top of that, looking at the 10,000 tick, you could tell the momentum was swinging, so that's why I decided to get that short. So our P&L is currently at 125, but again with fees maybe like 100. I'm looking to take one more trade, maybe get the bounce off here. Let's watch this. So what I'm going to do also, I'm going to delete this. I'm going to put a trend line in instead. Oh, there's our break. You guys see our break? Yeah, there you go, off of 52. Now it has to hold 52, otherwise we get a break below. Now it's off 52, or we finally breaking below. Let's see. Yep, right here. This area in general. Let's paste another line. I'm gonna put one more so we can see the 3 different levels on the 10,000 tick. That might be our first leg. So first entry short right here, boom. Second entry, or first entry long. I'm not even sure if I'm saying this right. I'm too focused. I'm sorry, but like boom, 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 possibly. Yeah, we're gonna take this short. It's kind of lagging. I don't quite know if we got it. Oh, we did. Okay. It's kind of lagging a little bit, but it's all good. So we're at 225. And then again, with fees. Alright, so our target, we just got the tip of this previous candle on the left, if you guys can see, 47.75. And then our next target after that is about 43 and lower. For me, anyways, I do like small targets because I'm a scalper. So I try to look for the tip of every kind of like wick to see where we're kind of headed. But yeah, this is a crow. If we could hold a longer red candle, that's a crow. Possible consolidation here. Let's see what happens. That was a nice touch off, though. I could see a continuation down further. Again, should we see 3 crows and we don't break above previous high here. I usually get caught in that. I'm like seeing it go down and I wanted to get in, but I wanted to break this low first. It looks kind of heavy to me still, but it doesn't matter what I see, right? So let's see, 44 and then 41. So 3 points each time. Here we go. We might get a little pullback to touch EMA, or we might get a flush past 47. There's that push past 47. It's kind of slowing down a little bit on the 10,000. I'm going to take this short here. I'm going to move our stop up. Oh, we shouldn't have done that. Like moving our stop. What I'm going to do is I may move our take pocket profits closer because my goal isn't to go for a home run anyways. Like I'm looking to just maybe. Oh, I'm so wrong. All right, so that's the end of this challenge. I was just looking to get out of the trade sooner than later, just because I made the mistake of moving my stop loss. But I just gotta let things play out, guys. You guys can tell. I had a FOMO trade today, and I was hesitating with my plan. I was not believing in my structure and my reason for getting in. But nonetheless, we finished the day up 51,729. So we have passed the halfway point of our 3,000 goal, and we still have 6 days to trade. So this was day 4, and yeah, let's just keep it pushing, keeping it chill. And that is a wrap of day 4 for the 50K BULENOX challenge. Super stoked to continue this green streak. We are for 4 days right now, a little over $1,700 in profit, that much closer to our $3,000 profit target, and we still have to hit a minimum of 10 trading days. So we are getting closer little by little. It was really nice to be able to go over everything that I was seeing in the moment of me before, taking any trades. And I hope you guys enjoy this kind of content. And as always, I hope you guys are doing well in your trading journey. If you guys have anything you'd like to say or talk about, leave it down in the comment sections below. Otherwise, I will see you guys in episode 5.